I'm going to show you exactly how to send emails in Outlook. Open Outlook to your inbox and on the Home tab, click New Email in the top left. A blank message window pops open and the cursor lands in the To field. Click in the To box if it's not already active and type the recipient's address. I'll send this first one to my own address so I can verify the whole process. If Outlook suggests contacts below the field as you type, pick the exact match, not the close one. If you take the wrong suggestion, that bad address gets saved into your autocomplete list and it keeps showing up later. For multiple recipients, separate each address with a semicolon. If you want to copy someone, click CC on the right side of the To box. That address is visible to everyone on the thread. For a hidden copy, click BCC, and a new line appears below CC. I use BCC when I'm sending to a group because it stops the whole list from being exposed. Click in the subject line, type something that tells the person what you need before they open it. I'll use website budget approval by Friday. A blank subject is the fastest way to get ignored or filtered. Keep it to a few words because the recipient sees it next to your name in the inbox list. Now click in the main body area below the toolbar and type your message. I'll write a short note. Hi Jordan, the updated budget is attached. Let me know if you need any changes before Friday. If you paste text from a document, press Ctrl-Shift-V instead of Ctrl-V so it comes in as clean text without the heavy formatting. To attach a file, click the paperclip icon in the message toolbar. The file window opens. Choose the file from the list or browse to it if it's not there, then click Insert. Outlook attaches it and shows the file name and size under the subject line. Wait for that attachment bar to finish before you go anywhere. If you click Send while it's still uploading, the message goes out without the file. Now click Send in the top left of the message. The window closes, head to Sent Items in the folder pane on the left, and the message sits at the top. That confirms it actually left your account. Before your next email, set a signature. Click New Email again, and in the message window, open the Message tab, click Signature, then Signatures. Type your name and a phone number, set it as the default for new messages, and save. The next email opens with that block already in the body. If you sent something too early, Outlook on the web shows a small undo button at the bottom for a few seconds after sending. In the desktop app, open Sent Items, double-click the message, and look for Recall Message under the three-dot menu. That only works inside the same organization and before the person opens it, so treat it as a long shot. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.